Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can add the address in the Temu app. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Temu app. So I'm going to open this. Let's click on it. And now simply, as you can see, you will be able to see this add here. Now simply we have to go to the use section. It means our profile here. So let's go to the profile. And after going to the profile, as you can see, you will be able to see the address option here. The first one is review, history, play and earn. And the second last option is addresses here. So we have to click on the addresses. As you can see, we don't have added any kind of address here. So let's click on the add new address and we have to provide the address here. So I'm going to type that. As you can see, I have added my address. Now simply we have to click on the save, and after clicking on the save, our address will be saved. So as you can see, now this is currently our edit address. So as you can see, this is now currently our default address. Now if you want to delete this, or if you want to copy this, or if you want to edit this, these all options are also provided here. If you want to add a new address, simply you have to click on this add new address, and now you can add the new address as well, and at the time of delivery you have to choose that. So in this way you can add the address on the Temu app. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.